is Joël. I'm the head chef of the IGNIV by Andreas Caminada in Bad Ragaz. Today I'm going to present you one of my favorite dishes on the actual menu. So we're going to work with 100% Swiss Wagyu beef from the biggest Wagyu farm in Switzerland. It's from Sevelen, like 15 minutes by car from here. The cow is about 3 years old, and we're going to use the back part of the entrecot. So we're going to slice it. It's very nice meat. We're very happy to work with this farm to get such a nice product. Make sure you cut it in very small cubes, so it's good to bite and not chewy. But of course the meat is not chewy anyway. Here we go. So now we're going to marinate our tartare, but we want to let the product speak for itself. So we're just going to use some fresh chopped shallots and some dried pear. Dried pear is a product we use a lot because it's also very famous in our location, or like in Graubünden at all. Just going to use some nice olive oil. Again, we're going to use the kimchi from Greece. I'm going to use some fleur de sel. I'm going to use some pepper. In this case, white pepper. I'm going to use a little bit of our secret sauce, but it's a mixture of Worcester and some aged soya sauce. I'm gonna slowly mix it all up. Make sure that the dried pear pieces are mixed up nicely in the meat. Let's try it. Very nice. Now we marinated some butternut pumpkin. So we have the season now. It's already marinated. I'm gonna put the meat inside and roll it to a pumpkin beef sausage. Let's call it like this. There you go. So carefully we roll it. Like this. Make sure it's very tight. If it's not tight enough, it's going to be difficult to cut it later. Make sure the air is out of the cling film. And then we roll it even more tight. So it looks like this. Make sure the knife is very sharp. And we slice it carefully into a nice shape. So carefully we're going to take away the cling film. Very carefully because we want to keep the shape. There we go. One. Sometimes it's easier to cut it. So now we plate it. Make sure which one are the nicest cuts. So then we prepare a Hokkaido pumpkin puree. This dish, we play a little bit with the temperatures. So the tartare, of course, is cold. The puree is going to be warm. We add some sauces, at least, that will be also warm. But first, on top, we put a cream of dried pears. actually very sweet. And then we also add a gel of Mitzkan vinegar to give some more acidity to the dish. All right. Then we we make a little salad on top. For this one, we use Castelfranco and some frise salad. We marinate the salad, of course, a little bit. Maybe we get some more frise on top. Of course, some salt. Go. Then we're going to use some red maple leaves from Japan, which are just right. So now the dish is nearly finished. We're gonna finish our dish with a coulis of Hokkaido pumpkin juice. The sauce is based on the juice, so we reduce it till the own sugar gonna caramelize, and we're gonna blitz it up with a lot of butter. So it tastes a little bit like pumpkin mixed with fudge. I'm gonna use the coulis. And at least we also add a jus of the beef that we made a tartare of, and the juniper berries. And this is how we serve it.